Hi there, Helen here, your wellbeing advisor from Mood Essential Oils. Now today I'm going to talk to you about our sacral chakra. So this chakra is actually located in your lower abdomen. So for women in your womb area, it's here about up to your belly button. Now this chakra is all about our emotions and our desires and sexuality. So kind of the merging of the masculine and feminine energies. It's also associated with change and movement. So as our first chakra was quite a solid chakra connected to the earth, this chakra is actually affected by water, so its element is water, and that's why it creates movement and change. So it can influence different areas in your life, such as relationships. It can also affect things like your addictions because it governs our pleasure center. So it is quite easy to get stuck in this chakra as we kind of seek pleasure, or at times even avoid pleasure. And our emotions are processed in the part of our brain which is called the limbic system, which if you've listened to one of the videos I've previously mentioned about essential oils, that is the part of the brain that the essential oils actually stimulate, and it regulates our hormones and some of our emotions. So this chakra is very much connected with that, which is why emotions, things like relationships, can be affected by this chakra. So the different tools to help to work on this chakra, if you feel you have any issues in this area, the colour is orange. And again, as I mentioned, it's got a huge influence, has the colour, on your different chakras. So you can wear the colour, you can surround yourself with it, you can eat foods that are orange. And as the element is water, then having a bath is a really, really powerful thing to do. Have a walk by a lake, have a walk by a river or the sea. Doing things like dancing, so a movement that you enjoy, because as I said before, this chakra really, is stimulated by movement. So taking time to nurture yourself by doing some kind of dancing that you like is really powerful. Essential oils as well, this chakra is probably one of the ones that is most affected by essential oils because of the connection to the limbic system. So the ones that you can use for this are sandalwood and neroli and orange. You can also use geranium and patchouli. So those are really powerful things to use. Also, because I feel this chakra is around emotions, having a look at your emotions, being reflective of how you're feeling and accepting them, because I think sometimes in day-to-day life we all feel like we should be able to manage our emotions better, we shouldn't have certain emotions, but just being able to accept them and then doing some relaxation to help yourself sort of calm those emotions. Do some breathing exercises, just focusing on your breath is a really important thing to do. That can help as well to really balance this chakra. One of the other things that we also have in our stock are these bowls which are aligned to each individual chakra. So this is the sacral chakra bowl. As you can see, it's orange and it has the symbol of the sacral chakra on it. So before we go, I'm just going to play you that so you know the sound. I'm a meditation teacher. Meditation helps all your different chakras. Meditation can really help to balance your emotions and help you to be able to take a step back from them and see where they're coming from, and maybe not always respond from an emotional place. So the link is on the website. You can contact me for more information. You can join my online sessions. You can have your own private session. But before we go, I'm just going to show you the sacral chakra ball and play you it. So you can just sit, close your eyes, focus on that area and just see how you feel. Thank you.